What's going on, guys? We've got a lot of brand new Hot Wheels cars to talk about, including one of my all-new favorites. So this is a brand new Hot Wheels casting for 2018, the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The launch color for this model is yellow jacket, which looks awesome and reminds me of the Pennzoil commercial you just saw a second ago. And since this beast is already in the packaging, I bet we'll be seeing more of this car very soon. Now there is another very exciting car on the horizon. Here we have a green Nissan Skyline R34, which is going to be a super treasure hunt car in the 2019 main line. The rumor is that this model will be the super of the 2019 B case because it's believed the super of the A case is this 1990 Honda Civic EF. However, these new images of the Civic EF are the basic version of the casting, not the super, which means these wheels are not the final production spec. There are some photos of the super treasure hunt 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600 on the card, which give us a good look at the wheels on this super. Similar to the Ultimate Chase Bone Shaker, this one will come in a basic version with the 50th anniversary wheels and also in this shiny super edition. A new truck model is coming soon, the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, which might even be in the 2018 M case. There's a very nice Zamac edition of the custom Datsun 240Z to look for at your local Walmart stores, and I think this is one of the best looking 240 castings yet. The Fairlady 2000 is also returning to the main line once again in 2018, this time in a black color with red striping and wheels. I'm really excited for this new collection of vehicles. These are the Team Transport sets, which include a transport vehicle and a super cool car. The first set is the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX and Sakura Sprinter. Team Transport number 2 is the Porsche Speedster and Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. And the third car culture set is the 1969 Nissan Skyline van and carry-on. Now the Team Transport set should be racing into stores during July and will cost around $10 US. Target stores will be hosting a special Hot Wheels event on June 16th, and there will be 3 first-to-market models available. It sounds a lot like a Kmart event, and I think Target is going to work out better because there are way more Target locations that collectors can go to. The first new car to search for is the orange color of the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. Next is the black and white 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible with yellow wheels. And the third model is the HW 50th Race Team 1970 Pontiac Firebird. If you buy 20 Hot Wheels cars at Target stores, you can claim the latest mail-in model in the Collector Edition series, which is the custom GMC panel van. The Matchbox G case has also been released and features a blue 64 Ford Fairlane wagon, a gray 2015 Chrysler 300, a white 2015 BMW i3, a Sheriff Year 2000 Chevy Suburban, a red 2005 Jeep Gladiator, the MBX Rescue 4x4, the little blue MBX Tuk Tuk, a Bay Tour vehicle called Duck Duck. The next one is a truck called the Dune Dog. Then we've got a rescue vehicle called the 4x4 Scrambulance. And the last vehicle in the Matchbox G case is the Power Lift. So that's all of our brand new Hot Wheels car news for today. If you guys want to stay up to date with the latest cars, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.